Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we have got issue 51 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. Okay, so yeah, issue 51 is exactly the same as issue 50, but we're doing it for the passenger side this time. We're making the passenger seat. So as you can see, the parts here are pretty much identical to the last issue. All the parts are in there, and yeah, so is the instructions basically. The only difference is when we build it in the car, the actual seat is exactly the same. When we get to the end, it's just going on the passenger side. And following up, next time we're going to have some more cables, and it looks like a handbrake part to go on the side there as well. So yeah, this is pretty much identical to the last video, so we know what we're doing. So let's get the parts open and start building. So as you can see, I've got the parts out. We get exactly the same. We get the HP and DM screws. So yeah, we can just start assembling this together. So we're going to start with the top. It does have an R in there, just if you're wondering. Let's put our sponge in, and we can grab the metal piece for the chair. And just like the last time, we're going to just be slotting this together, lining up all the slots down the sides, making sure they go all the way through. And that's going to help keep that in the chair shape that we want, just like that. Then we can get the back of the other one, the top of the other one, sorry, put the sponge in there as well, and the metal piece for that, slide that one on, again lining all the notches up and sliding that one together. And now we can connect these two together just exactly the same as we did the last time, pushing them two pieces together. And we're going to take these two black pieces and we're going to push these into the sides. So that one goes into there, lining up the hole, making sure it goes all the way through. And this side as well. Push that down, line that up. And push it through. So now we're going to need the HP screws again to keep these in, and again these are the flange screws. Let's get the first one in. We're going to put the first one just down here, screwing that together. And then we're going to turn that around and do exactly the same in the opposite side here. Just like so. You can do these tight as you like, because you're still going to have that movability of your chair back and forth just like that. So now we've got to put the backs on, so let's slot them on. So that's the first one going on. Get our DM screws out and let's start getting these ones in. So as before, we've got 5 DM screws to put in the back of here. This one's the last of my delivery of this delivery, and the next payment has already come out, so the next lot should be on their way. And I should have had the display base a couple of months ago, but it has been out of stock, so God knows when I'll get that. That could be months before I get that. All depends when Eagle Moss get that back in stock, I think. And the last screw at the top. Just like that. That's the back on. And now the only thing we've got to do is put the actual flooring on the bottom part. So line that up. 4 more DM screws in here as well. So I'm going to start at the bottom this time. And the opposite side. And the last two go in the top 2 holes. They didn't actually give me a spare screw this time. Normally Eagle Moss give you a spare screw. They didn't give me one. I got the exact amount of DM screws. Luckily I had one left over from last time, so if I did need one, I've got one there. Plus I've got them in my little pill box I've got here that I keep all the spares they send me in there as well. So there we go, that's that part on. That's the passenger seat complete. Now we just need to add that to our DeLorean itself. So that's going to be going in this part here. So again, just like last time, we're going to move these cables out of the way. We're going to make sure the seat belt is in the right place and slot that into there. Make sure we get them on the runners, and then we can take HP screws, and when we flip this over, we've got the 2 screw points on the back. So as you can see, mine's not quite lined up. That's better. Now let's get a HP screw in there. That's one. And now the last screw in here. Just like that. When we turn that over, we've now got our driver's and passenger seats in there. So I'm just going to pull that one forward just a little. These cables are going down here. Make sure they run down the side, just like so, just like that. So as you can see, we've got both our chairs in. We've got a Model Mods 1 to 6 switch kit in there, which is looking really, really nice. And yeah, look at that. DeLorean is really, really coming along now. So coming up next time, as I said, we're going to have some more cables in this little panel piece here with our handbrake. And that's going to be going, I believe, just down here on the side of the DeLorean. So we're going to have some more cables coming down the side here with this side partition part with the handbrake on. That's issue 51 all complete, and yeah, that was a really enjoyable issue. The DeLorean is really starting to come along now, and yeah, but unfortunately that was the last one of most deliveries, so I'm gonna have to wait until the next ones turn up. They have, as I said before, they have taken the payment, but yeah, we just have to wait for them to be delivered. It could be tomorrow, could be in 2 weeks, so yeah, as soon as they come, I'll start putting some videos out for it again. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.